Hello and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. All right, we have a JAMB math question of the day. It says the value of 222 base 3 raised to power 2 expressed in base 3 is, okay, so we have to multiply. There are two ways to do this, okay? It's either you convert this to base 10, multiply, all right, then convert back to base 3. Or you just go forward, do it the hard way, which I feel is straightforward, but this way you have to really know how to multiply in using in basis. All right, so let's do this. Let's do multiplication in basis. Okay, so let's do this. And I feel this is actually easy because you have 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So if you can know the first multiplication, we just replicate, we replicate our answer. All right, so this is how you multiply in base. We're doing in base 3. Okay, so you do 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. All right, how many 3 can we get in 4? How many? We can get what? 1. You write what? You carry 1, and what is the remainder? The remainder is 1. Okay? You do 2 times 2 is 4. Add that 1 to 4, you have 5. How many 3 can we get in 5? We can get 1. Carry that 1. Okay? And what is the remainder? The remainder is what? 2. Right? So you do 2 times 2 again. That is what? 4. Plus this 1 that you carried, which is what? 5. Are you following me? Okay. How many 3 can we get in 5 again? We can get 1. Put the 1 here. And what is the remainder? The remainder is 2. Then this 1 will drop the 1 here. Do you see that? That is how you multiply a number basis. So we can replicate this now because this is also 2 times 2, 2, 2. So all we need to do is, just arrange it, the way it's done, arrange in multiplication format. So this will be 1, 2, 1. This will be 1, 2, 2, 1. Then now we now do the addition. You can see this step. So you need to know how to add in number basis again. Okay? So we have 1. All right. So can 3 go in 1? No. Right? So we put a 0. We drop the remainder, which is what? 1. This is 2 plus 1, which is 3. Can 3 go in 3? Yes. Okay, how many times? 1 times. Carry that 1 here. What is the remainder? 0. Do you see that? So this is 1 now plus 2, which is 3, plus 2, which is 5, plus this 2, which is 6. 6. How many 3 can we get in 6? We can get 2. 2 3s, right? We put that 2 here. What is the balance? 0. There's no remainder. Now, we have here 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 2, 5, plus 2 is 7. How many 3 can we get in 7? We can get what? 2 3s. We carry the 2 here. What is the remainder? The remainder is what? 1. So we have here 2 plus 1 is what? 3, plus 2 is 5. How many 3 can we get in 5? How many? 1. We carry that 1 here. What is the remainder? The remainder is 2. Do you see that? Now we now have 1 plus 1. How many 3 can 3 go in 2? No, we put a 0. Okay? No, we put a 0 here. And what is the remainder? The remainder is 2. Then we drop down the 0. You don't need to drop down the 0. So, excuse me. So this is our final answer in base 3. Do you see that? Okay? I'm just giving you a little refresher on how to do your number basis. Okay? This is how you do your number basis. Okay? And our right option here, where is our right option? Sorry. Our right option is option A. Excuse me. Our right option is option A. Sorry, I have a bit of so don't forget, okay, to get the DTW JAMB CBT app on Google Play Store, freely download to for more of your questions, all right, on science, art, commercial subject, okay. Download it to get more practice questions from our database, all right. All the links in the video description box of this video. If you want to attend our online intensive tutorial, WhatsApp me, okay, our group tutorial on WhatsApp, on Google, Zoom, Google Meet link, join us, all right. And you can also join our Facebook group, Okay, subscribe to our channel, follow us on TikTok for every update. All our media, please follow for every update on your JAMB 2025 examination. And also, you can get your free syllabus download, notes and study guides on our website. Okay, so finally, don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for He's the way, He's the truth, and He's the life. He's the one who's going to lead you to heaven at last. All right, thank you from DTW Tutorials. You are destined to win. All right, do share with your friends, family, and loved ones. Take care.